Welcome to Nakuru, Africa's fastest growing town and Kenya's newest city. There's a misconception about this new city, about whether this city is big or fine enough to be called a city. So in this video, I want to take you on a tour of Nakuru to show you where the rich people hide and also to show you the city center. Then to help you decide in the comment section if this city is big or fine enough to be called a city. Join me on this adventure. Let's discover Nakuru in 2023. So this is where the rich people hide.
Yeah, where are the most richest?
They are not here.
Staying here.
So from here you connect like this. Okay.
Then back to down.
Okay. Wow. Guys, so this is where the rich hide in Nakuru.
For the Mulimani.
What do you call it?
Mulimani.
Mulimani.
Where they just looking for this.
Oh wow.
Most.
Wow. I love the weather, it's very chill. So this is Monumani, where most of the rich people hide. Wow. Nice, so it's fine. So guys, if you have money and you come to Nakuru, this is where you come hide and enjoy your life. Keep going. Fine houses over here.
Very fine.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go fast.
This video I want to show you around Nakuru, where the rich people live, and the city of Nakuru, you know, the fourth largest city in Kenya. I want to take you guys around to see for yourself, to see how Nakuru looks like. There is this misconception that Nakuru is a town or should be a town instead of a city. So I want to take you guys around Nakuru city to show you around Nakuru to know for yourself if Nakuru is supposed to be a town or a city. Join me guys. Guys, I love how there are so many trees in Nakuru. You can see. So from here you go like this, have you?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Little that. This is fun.
do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
So neighbors around here, Riverside.
Eh,
Yeah. But, this is how Nakuru city looks like. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Is Nakuru big or fine enough to be named a city, or should you remain a town? As you can see, this is pretty much, beautiful city. I'm still taking you guys around. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed. make sure you turn on the post notification so that you get notified as we show you more places in Kenya. So for the meantime, let's keep on exploring Nakuru city to show you guys the beautiful side of Nakuru and how Nakuru looks like in 2023.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way to a seat, there be no kind of peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going solo. Nowhere I can ramble or roam change my mind, could slow my coming home. I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Yeah guys, this is the city of Nakuru. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe. If you have any recommendation of where you think we should visit to show you guys, kindly comment in the comment section. As you can see, this city is so nice. You see where the rich people hide. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao. Oh wow. Oh. Wow, guys, this is one of the malls in Nakuru. Naivas Supermarket, Nakuru.